Today, we're going through how to add candle drips like this using the CandleGen add-on. If you're not familiar with it, CandleGen lets you create realistic candles in just one click. You can check it out on Superhive using the link in the description below. Now, let's get started. I'll begin with a default cube as the candle surface. Scale the cube so it roughly matches the size of the candles. To add candles only on selected faces, go into Edit mode, select the top face, and optionally press I to inset it. Then press Ctrl+B to bevel the edges, so you can select the inner face. Switch back to Object mode, open the end panel, set the drop-down to selected faces, and click Generate. Candles will now be added only to the selected area. To apply materials, click Add Materials. If you want more candles, select them and go to the Modifier tab. In the Geometry node settings, increase the density under candle distribution. I'll set mine to 100. You can also adjust the height and radius under the candle shape settings. Now let's move on to the drips. Select the candles and turn off preview mode. In the modifier, increase the melt factor to create melted tops. Then go into edit mode, choose the draw tool, and start drawing strokes along the candles. Take your time and draw all the drips you need. To adjust the drips, press Alt+S to change the radius and Ctrl+T to smooth them. Now let's take these candle drips from this to this. Duplicate the candles using Shift+D. Select the duplicate, go to the Modifier tab, and under Drip Details, enable Only Drips. Now only the drips will be visible. Go into Edit mode, select all existing drips and delete them. Then redraw additional drips for more detail. Reduce the drip radius and set the curve tolerance to a lower value, example 2 pixels. Then draw smaller secondary drips along the candles. Make sure you're editing the duplicate so you don't affect the original drips. Take your time and draw the additional drips, since they are the ones that add details to the main drips. To create overhanging drips, select the endpoints and move them downward. Alternatively, switch the drawing method from surface to cursor. Position the cursor where needed and draw the drips freely. Take your time to refine the shapes until you're satisfied. Here's the final render. If you're interested, check out all the features of the add-on on Superhive and visit the documentation website using the link in the description. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.